This is gonna blow your mind. Russian cosmonauts packed a gun for their space missions. And nope, not for alien battles. Back in the day, Soviet cosmonauts took a special 3-barreled pistol called the TP-82 on their missions. This wasn't your average gun. It had a rifle barrel, a shotgun barrel, and even a flare launcher. But why would astronauts need a gun? Well, during re-entry, their capsule sometimes landed in remote forests where wild animals roamed. It could take rescue teams days to find them. So, the gun wasn't for space battles but for survival, against bears, wolves, and other dangers. Along with it, they had a survival kit, which included a machete, fishing gear, and emergency supplies. Sounds crazy, right? But in the vast unknown, you have to be ready for anything.